Hey guys, the only problem that I have is like when I go in the left side right here, I often more fall like this in this side, and less on the right side like this. And when I that choose like that choose that, I fall right here again more often when I bend my neck in here. And when I bend my neck in the right side, I don't get like that. And when I bend my left side in here, I fall like that, like this. Just wait a minute. See that is my body, and like that. See, see the difference. This is the left side, and this is the right side. See, I fall more right here than the right side. You see like that?